What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Analytics Guy. My name is River Caraba. I am the Analytics Guy, and today we have a user-submitted question that I want to answer for you. One of our subscribers, the Doberman Guy, left the question, how does YouTube actualize views? And this is an excellent question because some of us have noticed over maybe the past couple years or even just since January, some fluctuation in the number of views that we see a video accruing since posting. So today, that's exactly what we're going to talk about. So first thing to know is that YouTube does a really great job, believe it or not, in trying to understand the difference between human views and non-human views or bot views. You can go, they go by many names, but basically not viewed by a human. Okay. So the first thing, and I'm just glancing at my notes here, you may notice those view counts kind of go up and down. The first kind of couple hours that a video is live, I have noticed in my testing, and I have actually got affirmed from YouTube that is where they're doing the most heavy lifting for any particular video. Okay, those first couple hours, you may see views either slow to come in. Sometimes people have told me in their account and actually in my own account that overnight sometimes it actualizes and catches up a little better. But YouTube is getting faster and faster. As I mentioned a little bit ago, January 28th was YouTube's biggest kind of update in this space and reaffirmment and commitment to the real-time analytics. So all of us know what the real-time analytics tab is in our analytics, YouTube analytics. If you don't know where that is, definitely check it out and look at it because that gives you a better idea of what's happening in the first kind of few hours and in the first couple days that your videos are gathering views. So you want to check that out. Some people do notice what's called a freeze of views. So that's where you actually show no improvement, no views actually coming in whatsoever. And that is when YouTube is trying to catch up on those non-human views. You as a creator, I think it's really easy, or if you're a small business, to get fixated on those view numbers, checking those data, often right after a video launches. It's super natural. It's okay. But I wanted to give you some information because a freeze is also super natural and okay. It will catch up. It is not going to exclude views from actual humans. At least that's the goal. That's the attempt, right? So back a couple years ago, I actually noticed this on my own channels that I maintain, and maybe some of you did, where a view count would get up to a certain level, and then all of a sudden, seemingly whether it's overnight or the next time you checked it, the view count actually dropped. Right? Well, that was because YouTube was making good on that non-human traffic and they're actually removing views. Well, they can understand that that's a bit more jarring for a creator than if the views are just slow to grow. So what they opted for, rather than taking views away from you and kind of the perspective of what that is we're just going to be slow to display the views. Now, all the views that you could be accumulating in real time are not excluded. Okay. So just because they're not being shown on the actual player page, the video page, or in your real-time analytics doesn't mean that they're not accruing and that they will not show up in your analytics. So that's pretty much the gist of it, guys. That's how YouTube goes about actualizing their video views. I think people are really quick to judge them and say that, hey, you're not doing right by me. But in this case, it actually is, because a human view is going to help you better understand the performance of your videos rather than artificial traffic or any kind of other thing that would affect your video views and then maybe get you leading down the wrong path and understanding what content is best for you and your channel. So that's all it's going to be for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed this. Leave any questions that you have for me down below in the comment section, or you can tweet me at YoAnalyticsGuy on Twitter. I would really appreciate it if you give this video a like, share these videos with your friends, and we will see you in the next one.